Wala yung impeachment. Gaya na sinabi ko, Committee on Justice, moro-moro lang yan. Talagang itatransmit nila sa i-recommend nila sa plenary. And as I said also in my show, every day, yung plenary session will vote for impeachment. But sa Senado, talo sila ron. They cannot get a 16 votes against Inday Sara. The most they can get is 6 na vote. Talo yan.
Why is that, Attorney?
Why? Ay, obvious. Tandaan nyo, si Inday Sara, as I said, destinido na maging presidente, so maglalaro yan mga yan. Ang mga panatiko lang na anti-Duterte dyan, gaya si Ontiveros, si Pangilinan, sino pa, si Lacson, si Soto, most likely si Bob Aquino, yan ang mga kontra, hindi mo mapapabuti yan. Pero the rest, ibang usapan yun. Pupunta yan. Katunayan, this year, marami pa maglalaro yan. Pero next year, tandaan nyo sinabi magbabalik tara ng marami yan. Even the number of impeachment votes, from 215, bagsak yan. Baka 100 lang may yan.